Let's continue with ordering of words in sentences. In the last session of ordering of words in a sentence, we have seen 10 examples and we have learned some of the tricks how to find the right sequence. Remember what you have learned about the word arrangement in a sentence. If you want to make a meaningful sentence, the subject will come at the beginning, it will be followed by verb, and then it will be object. It's very important to follow the logic when you are constructing a meaningful sentence. And some of the tricks that we have learned is that try to make a pair. If you are able to make a pair, like you have to see that with what verb which preposition follows. Or logically you have to think factually you have to think what will follow what. If you are able to find a pair out of all those sentences, then it becomes easier for you. Rather than just thinking over that and trying to find the answer. So let's today take up 15 examples of ordering of words in a sentence. So shall we go to the next question now? Question number 84. The prevention of disease. Now here what? The prevention of disease. Now facing the authorities, see it can't come, P can't come. The prevention of disease after the earthquake, yes, it is possible. Or the prevention of disease by far, was by far, see was also can come. So you have to think what can come. So it sounds that the prevention of disease was by far, because soon after that the prevention of disease, the subject, and after subject you can have the verb was by far. It can also be the prevention of disease after the earthquake, that also can be there, because it can be a phrase. The prevention of disease, the most urgent problem, this will not come. Or the prevention of disease facing the authorities, this will not come. So D you eliminate. But was by far sounds better. So A, B, C, any of these can be the answer here. It can be A, it can be B, it can be C. So we'll start with A now. Because R doesn't sound to that extent correct, but A and C sounds correct, isn't it? Or maybe you can try to find. Now here facing the most urgent problem facing the authorities. It sounds that after yes, P will come. The most urgent problem facing the authorities. It's a problem facing the authorities. That sounds correct. So after yes, where is P? That is what is there where? In A only. So the option A sounds correct, isn't it? The prevention of disease was by far the most urgent problem facing the authorities after the earthquake. So right answer? Very good. So what is the right sequence? QSPR. And what is the right answer? A is the right answer. So let's move on to the next one now. 85th one. We'll go to the next one. That is 85th one. They did not grow well. Although he watered the plants regularly and put manure in them. So the beginning phrase is not there. Now all these parts of the sentence, they are all jumbled up. Many times such kind of questions also appear in the examination. So you have to find out with what you can start with. Now here they did not grow well. It doesn't sound that they did not grow well. You know, this is a consequence. This is what has happened after that. No, probably although you can start with although. Although he watered the plants regularly and put manure in them, QRS, is there anywhere? QRS? Yes, QRS is there in B. Although he watered the plants regularly and put manure in them, they did not grow well. Absolutely correct answer. So B is the right answer. Let's go to 86th one. On the propagation of the idea of family planning, the governments of many countries have been spending a lot of money. Now the government of many countries have been spending a lot of money. After R, yes sounds correct. R, yes sounds correct. If RS sounds correct, where all RS has come? In A, RS has come. In D, RS has come. So where it is correct? The governments of many countries have been spending a lot of money. So start on the propagation of the idea of family planning. On the propagation of the idea of family planning, the governments of many countries. See, these two phrases, they're not getting along. Now let's see if you start now D, let's see D. The governments of many countries have been spending a lot of money on the propagation of the idea of family planning. That's absolutely correct. D is the right one. See, this is how you have to think. I also felt that A is the right answer. But I felt that those two phrases, somehow they were not getting along. Then you have to think again why that right answer is not there. On the propagation, see, preposition has come there. So prepositional phrase will come towards the end. The governments of many countries have been spending a lot of money on the propagation of the idea of family planning. Correct? So R, S, PQ, that is the correct sequence, and right option is D. Let's move on to the next one now. 87th. Let's do the remaining these two. I sat down this morning to write an article but found I could make no progress. So what will be? Now can you just think of a pair? But found I could make no progress. Yes, but found I could make no progress. Isn't it? RS is right. Is it right? RS? RS is right, correct. But found, see, but found I could make no progress. RS, where it has come, RS? RS has come in C. Isn't it? RS is there in C and RS is there in D. But found, I sat down but found I could make no progress. I sat down to write an article. That's correct. I sat down to write an article this morning. So C is the right answer. QPRS. Okay? C is the right answer. I sat down to write an article this morning but found I could make no progress. C. Let's go to 88th. If it had not been, where would I have been today for your timely help 5 years ago? So just think over that. It's a bit difficult, isn't it? Okay, you have to think about some logic. Now, where, if, see, it's all the parts of sentence, they have been jumbled up. For your timely help 5 years ago. Yes, for your timely help 5 years ago, correct? Where would I have been today if it had not been for your timely help 5 years ago? QPRS. And where is QPRS? QPRS. Where would I have been today if it had not been for your timely help 5 years ago? Correct? Where would I have been today if it had not been for your timely help 5 years ago? If you do this, if it had not been for your timely help 5 years ago, where would I have been today? Doesn't sound correct. Where would I have been today? We usually say like this. Where would I have been today if it had not been for your timely help 5 years ago? So right sequence is B, QPRS. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. 89th one. Okay, let's take up this. 89th. It was almost midnight. Now sitting at the table, no, P, it will not start with P. When I arrived home, it was almost midnight. When I arrived home, it can be there. Yes, it can start with Q. So either it can be A or C. Now R is there, but I found them both. But I found them both waiting for me after R. Yes, it's after R. Yes, should come. It was almost midnight when I arrived home. Found them both sitting at the table waiting for me. RP. Yes, RP will come. RP will come. But I found them both sitting at the table. Yes. Waiting for me. So RP. Yes. Where is RP? Yes. Yes. A. A is the right sequence. It was almost midnight when I arrived home. But I found them both sitting at the table waiting for me. QRPS. QRPS. A is the right answer. Let's go to 90th one. Do or die was a call that Gandhiji gave. Do or die was a call that Gandhiji gave when he asked the British to quit India to all freedom fighters. Do or die was a call that Gandhiji gave to all freedom fighters. That Gandhiji gave to all freedom fighters. See, after gave to all freedom fighters should come. Quit India too? No. The call to, see, do or die was a call to all freedom fighters. That is also correct. That Gandhiji gave to all. That sounds better. QS. Where QS has come? It is there in B. That Gandhiji gave to all freedom fighters. Will it start with do or die was a call when he was? It doesn't sound correct. Okay. Do or die was the call that Gandhiji gave to all freedom fighters when he asked the British to quit India. Yes, that's PQSR. The correct sequence is PQSR and that's D, right? Let's go to 91. The scientist refused to talk to the press who discovered. The scientist, I have given you a clue. What? When a person comes, who? Relative pronoun. It can't come after cure, it can't come after press, it can't come after about. So you have to start with Q. So either A option is correct or C option is correct. The scientist who discovered what? The ancient cure. After Q it should be yes. So C, just think over that. Who discovered the ancient cure that everyone is talking about, refused to talk to the press. Just think over that. 91. The scientist who discovered the ancient cure that everyone is talking about. After that, what you have to put comma there. Refused to talk to the press. That scientist refused to talk to the press. Who discovered the ancient cure that everyone is talking about. You got it now? And that is why. See, sometimes comma and all it will not be there, but you have to think about that. And that is the only option which can be right option. Yes, any other option that can be right one, just think over that. No, that is a right option. No other option can be right one there. Okay, think over logically. Because who discovered, who should come after scientist? It's a personal pronoun. Okay, who? So it since it is relative pronoun there, that's why it should follow scientist. You got it now? Let's go to the next one now. 92. His grandmother on all auspicious days was so pious. Now, his grandmother was so pious, sounds correct. His grandmother was so pious that she would visit the temple on all auspicious days without fail. So, A is the right answer. QRPS. Very easy. His grandmother was so pious. You can't say his grandmother that, his grandmother without fail. No, you have to have a verb, isn't it? His grandmother was so pious. Okay, so the right answer is QRPS, A option. Okay, 93rd. Let's go to next one now. The parents who consider There are parents who consider needless luxury in our country the education of their daughters. Again, think over that. What should follow? Parents. There are parents who consider. So here P, where it has come P? There are parents, so B. So it has come in B, isn't it? The parents who consider what? Who consider the education of their daughters, the education of their daughters in our country a needless luxury. A needless luxury. So this, because after parents only what can come is who consider. There are parents who consider the education of their daughters in our country a needless luxury. It can be the parents in our country who consider. The parents in our country who consider the education of their daughters a needless luxury. Is that option there? It is the parents in our country RPSQ. If that is the case, what will be the right answer? C is the right answer, isn't it? The parents in our country who consider the education of their daughters a needless luxury. Yes, now here confusion is there between B and C, which will be more appropriate one. And I think, see, there are parents in our country, should it come soon after country, who will come? No, that will be wrong. So B is the right option, because there are parents who consider the education of their daughters a needless luxury. The parents who consider the education of their daughters in our country a needless luxury. Okay, you can go ahead with this option because there is a lot of confusion, remember. Okay, right. Let's go to 94th one. Based firmly on current lexical and learning theory, not only to present and to explain words, English vocabulary use aims. So it should start with what? That's what you have to think about that. It should start with Q only. English vocabulary use aims not only to present and to explain words, but also to show students how to use them and to help them work out the rules themselves. Quite easy. So QPSR. QPSR, where is it? B. B is the right answer. Okay. Let's move on to the next. No confusion there. 95th one. The budget with high expectations by all types of taxpayers of tax relief is being awaited. The budget of tax relief. It should start with R. Just think over that. The budget is being awaited. Is being awaited, that also can come. Is being awaited, yes. The budget is being awaited with high expectations by all high expectations of tax relief by all taxpayers. So, okay, the budget, yes, SPRQ, that's a D. Okay, let's go to 96th one. I walked on. So what will come there? I walked on. 96th one. I walked on. I walked on as fast as I could until I reached the road which led to my house. So RPSQ. B is the right answer. We'll go to 97th one. Last two are remaining. We'll take up that. A very old man with a wrinkled face and long beard married a pretty girl of 16. A very old man with a wrinkled face and long beard. Correct? PSQR. That's A. A option is the correct option. And last one, we'll see. Sham took. So here jumbled words are there. Sham took a photograph from the window which was overexposed. So here Sham took. That's correct. You have to start with Sham took. Sham took from the window. Correct? Sham took a photograph. That can also be there. Sham took, but which will not come. Sham took from the window a photograph which was overexposed. So photograph was overexposed. So which was overexposed? So right option is PRQS. C is the right answer. I hope you got enough clues and tips to do well in ordering of words in meaningful sentences. Thank you. Goodbye.